The statement is two cells of EMFs 1.5 and 2 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm and 2 ohm respectively are connected in parallel so as to send the current in the same direction. It means we have to connect two cells like this in parallel so that they can send the current in same direction, means same terminals to be on the same side. So let us consider this is the cell E1 having EMF 1.5 volt and this is the cell E2 having potential 2 volt. Now these are connected such that they are sending the current in same direction. So let the current is I1 and current is I2. Current in the same direction through an external resistance of 5 ohm. Same direction. Now it means now if we join this total current I1 plus I2, I1 plus I2, total current will go through the resistance 5 ohm, external resistance 5 ohm. Here we have to show the internal resistance also. This is having 1 ohm internal resistance and this is having 2 ohm internal resistance. So the circuit is complete. So that is our first point, is to complete the circuit diagram. We have completed the circuit diagram. Now what is our second point? We have to find out current through each branch and potential difference across 5 ohm resistance using Kirchhoff's law. So to find out the potential difference across 5 ohm, we need to find out this I1 plus I2. It means we basically need to find I1 and I2, then put the value here and can get the value by using the formula V is equal to IR. Right, now let us name them A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, now we will traverse a loop like this A, B, C, so that this first I1 current flows through it and in second equation I2 current flows through it and the second cell come into existence. Or the another method, this is the same method, so follow this. We will use A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Here the current is I1 plus I2 in this direction through 5 ohm resistance. So when we are moving A, B, C, D, A, so here it is I1 up to AB, this is I1. When it goes to BC, it becomes I1 plus I2. But when we are writing the product IR, we will see the resistance only. Since here in this part AB there is no resistance, so we will not write here I1 into something. But when this we reach to the part 5 ohm resistance, the current is I1 plus I2. So we will write, since we are traversing in the same direction of the current flow, so we will write it as positive I1 plus I2 multiplied by 5 ohm resistance. Now when we go to this end, you can see here the current I1 will go through it. I1, so we'll write, and also it is positive, so 1 into I1, and the negative terminal encountered first, so EMF is taken to positive, that is 1.5 volt. Similarly, we can use the loop B, C, D, E, B. When we traverse this loop again, 5 into I1 plus I2 plus this becomes I2, 2I2 is equal to 2 volt. So we are having two equations and we can solve these two equations to get the value of I1 and I2. Let us consider the values of I1 is, here comes out to be 1 by 34A and I2 value is 9 by 34A. So adding these, we can get the value of potential difference. V is equal to 5 into I1 plus I2. So hence we can get the value of V from here.